Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 82 Supra. Not the regular Supra, but just the 82. This is one of the older Supra, which is pretty cool. This is the 2023 release right there. So you can tell 2024 card has kind of like a little bit white, like the whole thing right here is white. But anyways, I don't know what I'm saying right now. We're just gonna do a quick little review on this car. Let's take a look at it. 10 out of 10. I think I do have the whole entire 80s series actually. If you guys want to take a look, we could take a look if we have all of these. So actually I might check. So we got the 82 Supra. I think the share key was in this. Yeah, the share key. What else? Oh my god, I don't even know. We got a lot of cars. Yeah, I think we only got two. I think I unboxed all the other ones. But anyways, oh, I already spent a minute talking. Let's just pop it open already. I hate when that happens. There's the Pinafrista we opened, a few days ago. Or yesterday, I don't know. I don't know when I'll post this. Okay, let's take a look. My god, I really wish I bought a... Oh, no. Guys, how did I not realize that? There's a little crack, whatever. Anyways, let's take a look at the 82 Supra. There is a super treasure hunt of this version, which I don't think you can find anymore. It is long gone, probably. Let's just put it on... Let's just put it right here. Let's just let it spin. Taking a look at this car. Oh, what the? Oh, yeah. Alright, anyways, guys. Take a look at this car. I really love this beautiful tomato red. It also has a pretty cool... It has one little headlight open. The other one's closed. Pretty cool, kind of black, like, line going around the car. Chrome wheels. Pretty nice retro wheels, too. It also has some back headlights, which is pretty good. Toyot Supra on the back. Little golden Hot Wheels flame. Got the little handle. This car is actually extremely detailed. The only thing I wish they would add... Oh, look at that. They even added little, like, side skirt headlights. The only wish is that they added some paint onto the headlights, which would be nice. The front grille looks really nice. A little radiator and right there. Has a few of these, kind of like... So the cars can breathe from there. Really love the back fenders, too. The little... I forgot what these are called, like the little mesh kind of, for still a pretty cool car. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to take a look at the 82 Supra non-Super Treasure Hunt version. Anyways, I hope this, cheered you up. Just want to show you a 82 Supra. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next review or next car showcase. And yeah, hope you have a wonderful day. So yeah, see ya. Have a good day. Supra. Bye-bye.